Experience the Ed Bosworth difference. With locations nationwide, our tremendous purchasing power means you benefit from volume discounts. On average, we have over 2,000 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock. Automatic transmission, our 5 locations with virtually every make, color, style and option. We are a family-owned company and we operate with the same values that have touched over 80,000 customers over 40 years. Buying a vehicle from us does not end with a sale. We look automatic transmission as the beginning of a personal one-on-one relationship. Trust is earned and not given. We are proud to have our customers call us the dealer you can trust. Call now 800-230-1044 for details on this one and on others arriving daily. www.edbozarth.com